Hi, this is Kit Welchland. Thank you for the opportunity to possibly speak at your upcoming event on customer service. When it comes to customer service, it's important to keep in mind that we either are attracting people to us and our organization or we're driving them away. Over the years, my clients have used many titles or themes to address the issue of customer service, sensational strategies for internal and external customers, customer service, handling stressful situations and difficult discussions, or imagine creating a world-class customer service culture. Sometimes fatigue sets in and our people start delivering lackluster customer service. Sometimes staff gets worn out from complaining customers and people become a little burned out. This fun and fast-paced presentation inspires people to deliver world-class customer service, whether on the phone, in person, or in writing. Once we identify the points of encounter, we can enhance the customer experience and we can immediately enjoy positive results. I would love to have the opportunity to have a deeper conversation with you about this interactive presentation and really customize something that is exactly what you're looking for and exactly what your audience needs. It would be fun to work together on your upcoming event.